Hi guys, I hope that you had a really good trading session. Today's session was a very choppy session and it had been choppy for a few days. As you can see guys, since 30th of June, alright, that was, if I check the calendar, 30th of June was Wednesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, okay. So since 30th of June, after 2 o'clock, the market had entered a zone and it had been trading in this zone for quite some time. As you can see, once it comes down somewhere around this spot, it goes up, then it comes down, goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, and in the mid also, it was taking a few resistance over here, like this spot, this spot, this spot, this spot, and all of these spots are served as a really good resistance. All right, and even the last resistance over here, which is 34,629, served as a really good support. The support at this level served really strong, and it gave a really strong bull rally from there of more than round about 250 points, round about 250 points from here till this spot. So what this type of pattern suggests, that if you want to take a trade, you can take a trade, and you can take the trade either at the bottom or at the top, because the market would be in this range for quite some time, and if it breaks out, it'll break out very badly. And if you take the trade over here, your stop loss will be really small, as I have even suggested in one of my videos. So your stop loss would be somewhere around here if you take the sell over here, and you can see how much points you could have gotten. Again, you take the buy over here when you see the rejection happening, and you exit the sell position which you have entered previously, and your stop loss would be somewhere around here. So your stop loss would be around about 50 points, and your target would be 100 points. Again, that is easily you're getting 1:2 in this trading setup. But once it breaks guys, even if it breaks and your stop loss it hits, you can wait and see whether it has broken the level or not. Once it has broken this level, that is 34,967, which would be my upper level, and 34,627 would be my lower level. So once it has broken these two levels, I want you to note these two levels down on Monday, then we would definitely get a good trade. Otherwise, even on Monday it can remain on the same level, okay, but the chances are obviously low, because I am expecting a huge gap up or a huge gap down on Monday, as we have always seen that after 2 days of gap and holidays, usually the market opens with a huge gap. Okay, so that is the trading plan in Bank Nifty. Okay, and we'll be getting on to Nifty also. And you can see previously also, when it had made a box type setup, and I had also updated the same in my Telegram group and also in the YouTube channel, it had given you a really good amount of profit, more than 1:2 over here in this box type setup once it had broken. So it's going to be a really good move. We are expecting a really good move, and initially, if you want, you can also go with almost the full quantity. Once it breaks this level and the price sustains above, then it won't be stopping anywhere soon. All right, so very easy setup which we have over here lined up for Monday. And right now also, one interesting thing which I actually want to show you is in the hourly time frame. If I show you Bank Nifty, okay, Bank Nifty is clearly in a downtrend. All right, you can see Bank Nifty is clearly in a downtrend right now, but this level, okay, this entire level, the range is somewhere from 34,423 to 35,670. It had been in this range for quite some time. All right, so these are the very good ranges where we can get a make or break level if you're doing trading on a swing basis. All right, if it breaks this level, then obviously you can expect a really good downfall, easy downfall from 34,100 to 33,500. That is more than 500 points in the swing. Okay, and Bank Nifty, I believe it would be on a perfect buy, and you can go for a swing once it comes up to this level, that is 33,220. But that is really far off. Okay, we would definitely have to wait a long time till Bank Nifty reaches to this level. But I definitely think that if it comes to this level, it'll definitely bounce up. So you can note down these two levels for your future reference. Okay, buy Bank Nifty if it comes to these two levels, there's no doubt about it. Coming on to Nifty. Nifty, you can see that it has sustained well above this limit. Okay, it has sustained above 15,300 for quite some time. So I wanted to break 15,300 if I would go short on a swing basis. All right, if I am taking a put option for a swing basis, I would want it to break 15,000 sorry, 525. This would be the level that I want Nifty to break, or you can even go for 15,455 to be exact. Okay, coming on to the 15-minute time frame so that we get an intraday perspective of what Nifty's condition is. You can see that Nifty also has been ranging sideways for quite some time. Okay, and the volatility has been really high in Nifty and Bank Nifty. But although Nifty has been in a downtrend, even a bit more, I would say, than Bank Nifty. So you can see this range over here. If I show you the range, just give me one moment. Where is the range? Okay, all right, so if I show you the range over here, you can see this range. Now in Nifty, you can see this is the range where Nifty is making or it's taking a really good support and resistance. You can see once it had broken this range, you had easily seen a downfall of more than 100 points. Okay, but there was some factors for which it could not sustain, and it bounced off somewhere around here, and I believe there would be a support in these levels. So anyways, even in Nifty, you can see that Nifty has closed around this box. So if it sustains above this level, so the level for Nifty buy would be 15,750. If it sustains above 15,750 Monday and opens with a gap up and sustains above, then you can take up a buy position, and also you can take up a buy position in Bank Nifty also. All right, so provided that Nifty supports it. And always remember guys, make sure that you are checking the volume. And how do you check the volume? You go to the Zerodha chart. Okay, you go to the Zerodha chart and you check the volume. From here you can see the total buy and total sell quantity. If the total buy quantity is higher by a significant amount, by say about 50 to 60,000, if the total buy quantity is above the total sell quantity, then you can get a confidence that Bank Nifty is bullish, and vice versa. All right, so anyways, I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I hope that this gives you an outlook of what Bank Nifty and Nifty will be trading, and what your view on Monday's market should be, and how you should approach the market. I think a good trade is definitely on the way, so be patient, and either we're going to trade in a breakout or a breakdown, and I'm going to inform that in my Telegram channel. All right, so I hope that you guys like the video. Definitely subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon, and also join in the Telegram group, which is there in the description down below. Okay, and I'll meet you on Monday live at 9 a.m. Okay, bye, take care.
I want you to come over. I wish that you would come and give me something to prove. Won't you pull me closer? I think that I'm obsessed with everything that you do. I'm waiting.